Alright guys, so I got my lip up here on these sawhorses, and I'm basically just trying to line it up so that I can know where to get the holes drilled. So I'm just getting a rough estimate, I guess. So yeah. Alright guys, so I've drilled the holes. It's hard to see. So I did these ones, and here, and then right there. So now I can just use some washers and some nuts and bolts and put it on. Alright, so now the nut and bolt washers is on. I just used these tools, tightened them up. There you go. Alright, it's a bad angle, but I drilled some holes in the middle section towards the back of the diffuser here and zip tied it up just so that the middle has some support. And I'm under the car, so that's driver's side, and then I did 4 holes, and then passenger side. So, like, here's the oil pan. So, yeah. Alright guys, well, don't mind the dirty car. Just been driving around with me and my wife, enjoying the car. Nice weekend. And this is what the lip looks like after it's finished. I still need to do the actual fiberglass repair. I don't know if you can see, but the crack is right there. So I just wanted to make sure it fit all, you know, snug and looking good and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get the lip repainted and stuff too. So yeah, just some cosmetic stuff, but I think it looks good. I've been toying with the idea of the JSIA or JSAI, I can't remember what it is, N1 side skirt extensions. I think it would fill out the whole body line thing. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good if you ask me. Oh, the sun. There we go. So yeah, not bad.